How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. My name is JB4. Thank you guys for tuning in. In this video, fam, as you can see on the title, we're going to be talking about the JB4 and the spark plugs, fam. Now, obviously, I'm still new, you know, to when it comes to Stinger performance. I like to do my research before, you know, I don't like just jumping in things and, you know, but I've done my research, you know. Everyone that I talked to has recommended me to come down here. It's far from where I live, but it's on my way to work, so technically I'm not really, you know, making a drive for it, but you know, it is still a drive, but it's all right. So very excited because I seen this place all over, you know, Instagram. I seen it on YouTube, I seen it on videos, seen people post about it. So we'll see how it goes. You know, it's cartooners, and you know, like I said, you know, I know they're all about KDM. There's also Concept 3 and OC, but you know, cartooners, as mentioned, when it comes down to, you know, high performance stuff, go there. Actually, one of the, I'm not sure if he works there or if he's the owner, but Quick Nick is there, which you guys from the Kia family, from the Stinger family, you guys should know. His Stinger is the one that actually makes the 600 wheel horsepower. So I mean, if he's doing, you know, if he's there at work, you know, he takes his car there, then that means that, you know, and the car is still running till now, so it means, you know, whatever he's doing at that shop, or you know, if they work with him, or you know, and the car is running, and then you know, it's definitely recommended. So we're gonna for sure stop by, get this stuff checked out, and hopefully they can, you know, talk us and show us and teach us a little bit about the JB4 before I jump into I jump into it, you know what I mean? So anyways, fam, stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Suffocating, I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Alright, fam, so I'm here in Cartooners, fam, and believe it or not, I'm here with the legend here with Quick Nick, guys. He's gonna be actually talking about the JB4, a lot of things that people don't know about, you know, like he mentioned right now, a lot of things are not just from one car to another car.
Yeah, so like a lot of people, they'll take information that they know applies to X car, let's say Evo X or Subaru, and then they assume, I know this is fact for this car, and they try to place that knowledge onto the Stinger platform.
Okay.
And it just doesn't work out.
Okay. It's a different thing.
It's not always the case.
With the boss over here.
I'm like the boss. Like with the Stinger, some people think you can get away with doing a JB4 or ECU tune or something along the lines without doing the spark plugs.
Right. Because of saving money, like most people will think.
Yeah, they try and save the money, but in the long run, like if you don't misfire right away, it will happen eventually.
It's time.
At that point, is it just going to be a spark plug that's bad, or are you going to kill a coil pack with it?
The whole thing.
So now you're going to be spending way more money than you would have had you done the spark plugs in the first place.
From the beginning, like it's recommended too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We recommend the plugs. Burger recommends the plugs. Like we don't recommend them simply because we're trying to get more money out of you.
Right, right.
It's simply because the car.
Most people think like that, but that's not the case.
The car
he
needs
does
it.
try to take one.
Totals. All right, guys. So this is, and then the question about the JB4 that most people ask is about when it comes down to map 1, map 2.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. No, you're good. So when it comes down to map 1, map 2, you know, like you mentioned, the map 1 could be 91 plus, right?
Yeah. Well, map 1 is supposed to be 91 octane. Map 2 is supposed to be 93 octane.
Okay.
You will get quite a few people that run the Stinger on map 2 on 91.
Okay.
Can it be done? Sometimes. Some guys can run map 2 on 91 octane with no issue.
Okay.
Recommended? No. I would do Map 2 93 plus, Map
Okay.
1 91 plus,
Okay.
and then 3-4 is a blend of ethanol and pump gas.
Which 85 will be, you said 4.1 liters on 85 and the rest 91, right?
Yeah, usually if the Stinger's almost empty, it should be about 4.1.
Okay.
If you're going from 91 to E30, it'll be 4.1 to the remaining 91.
Mm-hmm.
But once you're at E30, that ratio will change because it's already at E30. You're not trying to go from 91 to E30.
Gotcha. Okay.
So there's a few free calculators on the App Store, on Play Store.
Okay.
You say how many gallons the car is, how many gallons the car currently has, and it'll give you the exact figure of how much to pump.
Okay.
This is all if you don't have the Burger, the Fuel It kit that tells you the ethanol percentage.
Gotcha.
That's nice, but if you want to try and save some money, you could do the mix yourself, and if you're good at it, you'll be pretty accurate.
And if we're not good with a mixture, anything will happen or the car will just shut off?
Car will, if you're too much ethanol, car will usually go into limp. You'll know right away. It doesn't necessarily cause any damage to the car, but you will stop boosting.
Gotcha. It's good to know.
Yeah.
You don't want to go on the freeway on limp mode.
Yeah. But it's not a huge problem. Just you could cruise through the fuel and burn it off, and then just
Okay.
do a proper mixture at the next point.
Gotcha. Okay. It's good to know. Those things, appreciate it, Nick. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you
No
so much,
problem.
man. Appreciate that. That's one things a lot of people ask and don't know, and they try to guess, and then
Yeah.
when you like you say, then eventually car blows, something else blows, and
Yeah, and then they'll
It
bring
gets
the
more
car
expensive.
like, oh, this car's a piece of shit. Like, no, you're just
it's just the owner.
a piece of shit. The problem lies between you and the.
All right,
between the seat
fam.
and the
Stay
steering wheel.
tuned. All right, fam. So you guys know I didn't do a video on JB4 installation. There's a lot of videos out there. It's actually pretty simple. For me to touch my engine, it has to be simple. I did my intakes. I done my JB4 installation. I do believe because I got it used. It already had everything plugged, so it was just ready to go plug and play. But usually you gotta do some wiring stuff, so maybe that's why it was easier. But shout out to car tuners, guys. Like the guy Nick there, I seen Instagram, I seen his 600 plus wheel horsepower Stinger, and I never thought of meeting him. Really cool person, very down to earth, and like I always say, guys, and I never get tired of saying this, I always recommend 3 things when it comes down to my channel, and it's best quality, best customer service, and great prices, guys. And car tuners is definitely the way. I'm definitely gonna come back here. It's on my way from my house to work, so I can definitely stop by. But honestly, fam, like they gave me so much knowledge that that they were nice enough so for me to make a video with them, and I can show you guys on the JB4, because there's a lot of information out there, misinformation, people doing videos. I like going to the source, to the persons or the company that have done this, that have it, and been using it or still using it, you know what I mean? So that's always the best thing to do, in my opinion. And just like I did the Mega Racing video, and I got the main person who built them and installed them. Same thing right here. Nick is the one that's been running all this and tuning the car, and reaching high horsepower. So it's always good to have that knowledge, because like he said and you guys heard it from him, it's always yeah, you want to cheap out, or you don't have the money, it's better to wait, buy your things little by little, or save. You want to buy it all, like I have the JB4 for almost 6 months in my car, fam, and I have not installed it. And I waited a little bit, and I did a couple things here and here, and then okay, now I can get the spark plugs. Like I didn't rush the process. I know a lot of us, and I'm one of those too, and I learned to control myself not to rush, because if I would have rushed, then that would have happened. This would have been a bigger issue. Now where the engine blows, and and now I would have proven my dad's point, saying, oh, the Kia sucks, this and that. And it's not the car, it's the owner. Like I know when you modify things, even my wife says that, my wife is not big into cars, but even she says that when you modify one thing, there's 3 things behind already, and she knows that already. She knows that based on my experience. I do the lip kit, now I gotta do 3 other things. Now I do this, now I gotta do 3 other, just even simple things. So it's always good to wait, get everything properly, ask the right the right person, the right company too. Do your research. Definitely Car Tuners is a very knowledgeable company, based on KDM, what I'm seeing, and it's crazy, because they've literally been from my parents' house, like 30 minutes away, from my work 40 minutes. So it's like they always been here, and then you know, they had the patience to actually, you know, not just install things in my car, but actually gave some knowledge for you guys, and that's something really good, you know, something really nice of them. You know, huge shout out to all of you guys, you know, thank you so much. You know, they were great, they were fast too. But yeah, like I say, fam, when it comes down to JB4, now you guys know the knowledge, now you guys know a little bit more before you do an installation, before you even just plug everything in and just launch it, you know. Then you know, something bad can happen to the engine. That's just what it is, you know, fam. So thank you guys for watching. We'll I don't know if I'm gonna be making a video after this with the JB4, maybe not, or else I'm probably just gonna end the video here. But I know you guys want to see some runs, so fuck it, let's make some runs on this car. Alright, I'm so pretty excited right now, but too excited I don't know where my wallet. Oh, there's my wallet. So we're gonna be doing the first time E85. Let's see how that goes. The Tesla's all behind me, waiting 1 hour for a charge, you know what I mean? We're just gonna spend here maybe less than 10 minutes. Not talking shit, but alright guys, here we go. Alright guys, first time on E85. According was 4.1, so oh, gallons, I'm sorry. I'm going based on money now. I'm getting scared of it. So the mixture is 4.1 and the rest has to be 91, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, I was definitely a little bit excited on this E85 focus fuel. Sadly, my phone that I have, the JB4, is 6% battery, so it kind of sucks. There you go, it's going. Alright fam, so I didn't get a chance to finish the JB4 lunch, but I'm gonna make a video on that, guys. We're going on vacation soon, so when I come back, you guys will get a video of that, a little review as well. Next video is gonna be HKS blow valve review on it, on this car. I have already had it for a year, but now we're actually passenger side, guys, and look at this. Got my brother right here driving, very focused. Get the camera to act weird. There you go. There you go. He already got his permit, so he's gonna go driving around with us a couple times, which is good because it makes it easy to make videos. I record you drive the car. Hey. Anyways, guys, we're gonna get once I come back from vacation, fam, you guys will be seeing a review video in the hotel that I'm staying, obviously. I always do that when I go on vacation, but you guys will definitely get more videos on the JB4 once I come back. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, fam. Remember, it's not just about the car, it's the other, guys. Until next time.